What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can create and set up your impact.com affiliate account. So let's get started. Now first off, you would need to go to the official impact.com website, and from there you will be able to start with your account creation process. Now once you're here, you would just need to scroll down a bit until you see this affiliate section right here. Now from here, go ahead and click affiliate for partners right here. Then click find brand partners. And then you will be on the sign up page. So from here you can select whichever option you would like to use to create your impact.com account. So I will click sign up with email right here. And then you would just need to fill out these boxes. So just type in your first name, last name, your impact.com username, your email address that you would like to be associated with your Impact account, and your password for your Impact account, as well as with your mobile number. Now just make sure you set this to your own country. Now once you inputted all the information that is required, you can just go ahead and click I read the partner agreement. And this last box you can just leave unchecked. It's just for the newsletter. So then just click get started right here. Now you would need to verify your identity, and they give you the option to do this through email or through your number that you inputted previously. So I will select through the email and click continue. Now just go ahead and open up your email account and get the code and paste it right here. Once you pasted over the code, just go ahead and click verify. Now your account is verified and we can continue with the next step. Now here you would need to select the business category in which you think your business is categorized in. So I will just select the social influencer one because I think that suits more to the channel, and then I will click continue right here. Now it might take a while for this step to load, but just wait and don't refresh the website. Now once this step is loaded, here you would just need to select the traffic source or the way that you would promote the links that impact.com gives you. So I will just select add social for the YouTube channel and select the YouTube option. And then your YouTube channel will be connected to Impact. Now from here you can click continue. Then here you need to select if you're an individual or if this is a company account. So I will select individual. And you would just need to input these other options right here. So the display name on your Impact account, your country, your mailing address, the physical mailing address, your time zone, and the most important one, your currency. So I previously created an account on Impact and I didn't take a look at the currency, and it was just automatically left in Australian dollars. So I will just change this to euros and fill in this tab. Now, once you've filled all the information on this page, you can go ahead and click submit right here. Just make sure that everything is correct because you wouldn't be able to change most of this once you create your account. And here is another pop-up that says that your currency can't be changed once you create your account. So again, just be sure that your currency is set to your currency to avoid any currency conversion fees once you would like to initiate any payouts. So just go ahead and click OK. And now your Impact account is technically created, but there is still some setting up to do. Now once you come to this step, you will receive an email about application received from Impact. So they receive your application to create an Impact account, and they would need about 72 hours approximately to see if you're eligible. And now let's just continue with the setting up of the account. So almost there, let's build your profile and submit your application to the marketplace. So just go ahead and click get started. Now we already verified our email, so that's about 50% done from there. Now here I will just select the first option so I can input my tax information. Now under the VAT number, in my country, I would just need to input my personal identification number from my ID. This is essentially just the same process for Amazon Associates or if you're a seller on Etsy. Now once you inputted that, you can just go ahead and click save. Now, once you verified your tax information by clicking on this little checkbox right here that's currently not available because I clicked on it, you can just continue with your public profile. So you can upload your profile picture or your logo in this case. You can write a description for your profile. You can also describe your niche or the content that you're creating. And here you can also change your business model if it changes down the road. And here there are some additional settings about your personal information, shipping information, and a additional information box for links to other websites or social media accounts that might help you to get in some affiliate programs. Now, once you inputted everything and selected your settings, you can go ahead and click Save right here. And by saving it, that was the last step, and your marketplace application will be submitted. Now, from here, all you need to do is just wait a few days until your Impact account is approved. So that's guys how you can create and completely set up your impact.com account along with the tax information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.